Everything in nature has a cycle. It ages. The trees will start giving flowers and then those flowers turning into fruits. In the same manner, we humans also change. So when we're talking about growing old, does it mean we have to grow older, we have to age faster than our chronological age? No. We can age gracefully, we can control our aging to a good amount of level. One of the things which is very important for women and their looks is the breasts. So sagging breasts also can be controlled through these 3 simple yogasanas. So why wait? Let's learn.
Chronic stress can contribute to various health issues, including poor skin elasticity. So reducing stress may indirectly benefit breast appearance. Close your eyes in Namaste to condition the mind and help de-stress yourself.
Asana is Parvatasana, hands by the side, raise your palms facing upwards, join them up in Namaste and stretch up fully. This will help open up the chest and is excellent for sagging breasts. Now turn your palms outward from behind the back, bring your hands down.
The stretching and opening of the chest in Parvatasana helps promote better blood circulation in the breast tissue. Improved circulation contributes to healthier breast tissue and skin.
We go to the next asana now, that is Bhujangasana. We are supposed to simply lie down in this asana to begin with. First, lift your chin and your shoulders, then the chest, then the tummy, and look up and back. Now coming down, it is also equally important that you don't give a jerk to your back. Gently come down. Put the chin down first, then the tip of the nose and the forehead.
Bhujangasana strengthens the muscles of the back and core, improving overall posture. Better posture makes the breasts appear lifted and toned.
The third asana that we are doing is known as Talasana. Take 1 foot distance wherever the toe ends here. Twist your foot. Keep your feet parallel in 2 straight lines like railway track. Raise the hands simultaneously.
As you lift arms in Talasana, the chest muscles stretch and expand. This creates a subtle lifting effect on the breasts and counteracting the effects of gravity over time.
Practice these 3 asanas for sure and see the results for yourself. Keep practicing. See you soon. Namaste.